Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download movies or series in HBO Max on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your HBO Max applications, and now if you want to download the movies or series, you just have to choose it first. For example, here I'm gonna download some movies. Just go ahead to this movies page, and now just select the movies that you want to download. For example, I'm gonna download this one. Just tap on it, and now simply tap on this download icon at the bottom of the movies poster. Just tap on it like this, and it will be downloading like this, guys. So you have to wait until it's done. So if it is done for the downloading, it will be look like this. I think it's enough guys, tutorial from me how to download movies or series in HBO Max on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.